The former General Secretary of the HYNNIEWTEEP National Liberation Council or HNLC, CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW, who had surrendered himself in 2018 to join the mainstream, has been reported to have been shot dead during a police operation at his residence at MAWLAI KYNTON MASSAR in the wee hours of the 13th of August 2021. Sources alleged that CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW had later been taken to the hospital where he was declared brought dead. After the incident, the brother of the deceased had spoken to media persons where he expressed his disappointment at the action of the Meghalaya police. He also confirmed that CHERISTERFIELD THANGKHIEW had not been keeping well as he was suffering from kidney problems, resulting in his inability to move around.
Lai beje du lai tam im tu.
Tong ka papios ngau ba.
Ya skol ki wan dum tamatang kum tahi la swas loi no te ni osum no. Tati don bala aja strike kan. We tri veterinary, we tri pat security table patha.
Kamu ki immediate witness
Kim dan kilashu mentah ni. Yang kelasara titik badan seperti. Dan lagi kelasara lang ngintip tu. Tipi akan pelaju bor ki ngintip. Mau kena ta. Ongum ta ngintip. Jadi so cunga ta kolong kumni la ki tharai I kan nuru suba. I badan be hiye. Beli ki mon misngi. Beli dalam kamonon citeng senya. Kini pre-plan. This is pre-plan. They just want to eliminate him. This is pre-plan. Ngata melaban tolerate kani. Pergi badan bor, kini lek ke bamon, ni badan bor kini partai di joki, ni menton ni meni partai. Ini melu ni, ni menton power pengi. Tapi badan power kini yak ke bamon kini business ke bamon. Ni badan power business melong. Kilong kita ki ini.
Kenapa ni tu kenapa kismi articulation suara di bahasa Shillong,
Idam behiyat. Idam kini problem bapli. Kini ke power last year, kijap last year. Kita tu macam kira rumah, habis ski. Kini problem, kini ketir tau kedia. Kini problem idan. Kita susah ada wai tang asirnya, le cabar melasyo. Susah ada wai tang asir, tang admit. Mestep melalui cabar syo, la tri kidneys. Ti, kini kena oleh pejabat korkam suriham. Ada kidan kam tu kelingim khangwan, keli apa sai. Kamera apa sai. Mendai ban macam seni yang tu. Buat dia kinong hidrak su, ngatain pasir. Buat kinong penyak beriung ngatain pasir. Buat ikut smuggler ngatain pasir. Beli dalam kabel siap ini. Kini ada bagi kuat eliminate ini. Nak kini setelah partai. Pendok jat.
Tapi kita report ki orang bagi yo yang tiaru ni ki.
Ngam ngait yang tate. Ngam ngait lele we. Ngam ngait. La supreme ngate ngam ngait ngamau. Munjudan tiar kata ngilai pendok munjudan tiar. Ngam ngait we. La supreme.
Later during the afternoon, a press release from the Assistant Inspector General of Police G.K. Yangrai confirmed that following the arrest of some people involved in the recent IED blast at Shillong and from material evidence collected, a joint operation by the Meghalaya Police of East Khasi Hills and East Jaintia Hills had been conducted at around 3 a.m. of August 13th at the residence of the former HNLC leader at MAWLAI KYNTON MASSAR. And following the same, the notification from the police sources say that incriminating evidences, which included a firearm and a knife, had been recovered from the site. 2 more persons had been arrested for alleged involvement in the case.